Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. This is GG Chef from the stables. India is fascinating. Not because I'm an Indian and I have a bias, but it truly is an amazing country. Its diversity, its depth and width of culture, cuisine, topography is so unique. Today I bring for us a brilliant dish from Kashmir, our jewel in the north. Exotic, different, simple and yet bold. Green apple and eggplant curry. It's locally called Tchoonth Wangun and goes very well with steamed rice. Prepare to be blown, guys. We make 1-inch roundels of the eggplant and soak them in water. This allows them to stay firm or else they will collapse very quickly when you fry them. I've taken 250 grams of eggplant, 2 medium-sized green apples that are firm and crisp. We make 1-inch cubes of the apple as well. We now flash fry the brinjals and green apples separately. Keep them aside. Try and get a good caramel color as you fry them in hot oil. Mustard oil is good. I'm using a seed-based oil here. In another pan, add 50 milliliters of oil and quickly add asafoetida or hing, Kashmiri red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder and fennel powder. These are very sensitive spices, guys. They will burn very quickly, so please be careful and manage the heat. To this, we now add the fried eggplant and green apples and toss it well. Idea is to mix the spices well with these two models of the dish. In about 30 to 40 seconds, add mango powder, salt to taste and jaggery. And that's it. Voila! It's done. As quickly as that, we now have Tchoonth Wangun ready to be served. Garnish this with chopped coriander and slit green chilies and serve with steamed rice. This is like nothing that I know exists. I remain humbled and in awe by the global cuisine's evolution. Even scratching the surface seems an impossible task. Here's to an emotion called food. Cheers, guys, and a big shout to our chefs, mothers, sisters and families for keeping these cuisines alive. Do try this one, guys.